follow niyo mga doktor niya sa TikTok. Ganun muna siya. Okay.
Wipe muna natin ha. Let's wipe your
Wipe muna natin.
Open your mouth. Open your mouth. Open.
Wow! Good job.
Open your mouth.
Wow.
Big mouth, like the dinosaur.
Very good ah. Wow, good job. Okay, that is good. Wow. Let's use this. Wow.
Brush teeth.
Let's brush your teeth. Wow, good brush. Mag-brush na naman po sa bahay. Okay. And let's brush your teeth. Yes. Marami po kami lang. Parang brush na.
Wow.
Wow.
Motor.
Amazing. Brush your teeth. Okay.
Okay. Say opo. Say opo.
Opo. Say po. Let me carry you. I want to carry you. Carry you. Wow. You will lie down, ha? Okay. Okay. Mami, sa isang siya na pa. Kendra. Oo. Tapos sa akin po yung
Wow. Wow. Wow.
ano ako kulit?
Wow.
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 Pwede ko siya dito. Allergy. Fish.
Right?
Wow.
It's a dog.
Oh, let me see your teeth.
Show your teeth. Paano yung open mouth? Open mouth. Big. Oh. Open your mouth. It's okay. Wow. Wow. Wow.
Sound is that? Nilabanan pa yung sound ng brushing
Oh, big mouth. Like a dinosaur. Big mouth.
Kailangan natin mag-start mag-gawin ng kulay. Pero konti-konti. Every appointment. Kasi para may protection.
Every 6 months na ito. What's this?
Wow. Let me try it again.
Open your mouth. Yeah, big mouth. Good job.
Wow.
Open, open. No closing.
Open!
Wow.
Great boy talaga ito. Kuya Aiden, are you okay? Baka magtapos si Kuya wala na kasama.
Down naman.
Oh, open your mouth. Show your teeth sa baba. Good job.
Aiden? Brush. You hear the sound of the brush.
So, moving na ta.
Ano siguro mag-create ang kuyan?
Ito lang natakot pa naman.
Katuya. Ang pangalo nga ako eh, parang siya nga ako yung moral support ng kuyan niya eh. Naman, yung molars mo. Kasi dati yung molars mo. Oh. Wow. Very good ah.
mirror. May mirror.
Ah, very good. Oh, basta.
Open, open.
Okay, it's okay. Big ass.
Big A. Say, like a dinosaur. Yan. Good job.
Yeah.
Yan, good job.
Okay. Other side.
Big mouth, big mouth.
Wow.
Nangangalan.
Lang siya.
Boy. Ang lapit na, bebe.
Okay na lang na.
Ah.
Okay na lang. Yeah.
Uy, lapit yung tango mo.